Hello, my friend. My name is Paul Hutchings, and it is an absolute to 120. Next month, it went up to 320. Next month, my residual income went up to $1,700, or thereabout somewhere. The next month, it went up to $1,900. This was my 5th month of activity in the business. $1,900 something dollars. Residual income, folks. Keep in mind, this is income that's going to come in for the rest of my life. Residual income. 5 months, $1,900 residual income. I'm thinking this is pretty great. I've never seen anything like this before. So here a few days ago, last week, I log into my back office because I want to check my residual income for September of 2011. And here I'm thinking that this check is going to be maybe $2,200, $2,300 residual income. And hey, that's great. I'm excited with that. This is residual income, and it's gone up every month since I got dragged into the company. Thank you, Doc Fran, for not allowing this opportunity to pass from me and being persistent. So 5 months into the business, $1,900. I log in my back office to check my commissions for September, and I about fell out of my chair when I looked at the computer screen and saw what had happened for the month of September. As a matter of fact, I immediately picked up the phone and I called Doc Fran. I said, Doc Fran, we're in trouble. The commissions are all screwed up. And he starts laughing. He says, what do you mean, Paul? What do you mean they're screwed up? And I said, well, Doc, it says that I made this much money, residual income, in my back office. And he started asking me some questions, and we got to the point where he said, no, Paul, that's right. Your check really did go up to that amount. So today on this video, what I want to do for you, my friend, is again share with you this miracle, this absolute financial miracle that's happened to me, okay? An average guy, husband, father, 3 little kids, 1 on the way, live in southeast Idaho. This miracle that's happened to me, I want to share this with you because this is something that can happen to you, and I'm really, really excited about it. So what I want to show you is this check I just got in the mail a couple of days ago. You can see that it comes from this company 124, and you can see that it's addressed to Paul Hutchings. Hopefully you can see that on the screen there. Paul Hutchings, Blackfoot, Idaho. Okay, I want to open this up. I saved this check to open up on this video with you because nothing like this has ever happened to me before or my family in my 32 years of living on this earth. Okay, so we're going to open this check up. I want to share this with you because this, my friend, is so exciting. Okay? Addressed to Paul Hutchings. Here is a check, okay? My friend, look at this. This is my 6th month of actively working this business. You can see it comes from 124. It's addressed, I really hope you can see this here, addressed to Paul Hutchings, okay? Paul Hutchings. And what does the amount say, my friend? What does the amount say? Can you see that? The amount says $7,240. $7,240. My friend, is that amazing or what? My 6th month in the business, $7,240. I'm going to go to the bank after this video and deposit this check. $7,240 residual income from a company called 124 that I, not once but twice, said no to. And thank goodness Doc Fran was so persistent that he did not let this opportunity slip between my fingers. So why do I share this with you? Well, one of the big reasons I'm sharing this with you, my friend, is because I want you to know that I'm an average guy. This check is well within your reach if you are willing to take a little bit of action. And what I want to challenge you to do is get back to the person who shared this video with you and get on their waiting list. Tell them, get them on the phone, pick up the phone and say, look, I need to have all my questions answered because I want this, I'm almost at a loss for words here. This is the most amazing company that I've seen in my entire life. And this financial blessing I don't want to slip out of your hands like it almost did for me. And so I want to encourage you, my friend, make sure, and I'll just preface what I'm about to say with this. You've never seen a company like this before. I don't care if you've been involved in network marketing or multi-level marketing or been pitched on every multi-level marketing thing out there. This is not multi-level marketing. This is a totally different, brand new business model, unique, revolutionary, and you owe it to yourself to learn all about this company before you say yes or you say no. And that is my one hope for you, is that you will take my advice from watching this video, get your friend on the phone or whoever shared this with you, and get all of your questions answered so that you can make an educated decision. That's all I ask. Make sure that you get all your questions answered, learn what this company is, what they're doing, because I can almost guarantee you, my friend, you're going to be hearing a lot about this company over the next few years. And if you skip this opportunity right now, you're going to be kicking yourself, literally kicking yourself down the road like I would be had I not listened to Doc Fran and gotten the information that I needed to get, to make an educated decision. So, my friend, dreams do come true. There are wonderful things in this time that we're living in right now. Just be open-minded and get back to the person that shared this with you. And whatever you do, my friend, never give up on your dreams. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.